An EIN is a tax ID for your business. Think of it kind of like a social security number, but for your company instead of you. You'll need one to open up a business bank account or to hire employees. And once you have it, you can hand out your EIN instead of your social security number, which is great for keeping your personal information private. So you've got two options here. The first one is to let Tailor Brands handle it for you. This is the convenient route. They take care of the whole application, and they can even get started on it before your LLC is finished. The trade-off is that it's an upcharge, right around $100. So if you'd rather not deal with any of the paperwork yourself, and you don't mind that upcharge, this is the option to go with. The second option is to do it yourself, because the IRS gives you an EIN completely for free. It takes about 10 to 20 minutes on their website, and I've linked that page down in the description so you can go straight to it. If that's the route that you want to go with, click on I'll continue using my SSN, and that's the option that I'll go with personally. So whenever you're ready to set up your own LLC, don't forget to go to this link on screen right here, or click the first link at the top of the description. That's going to get you the lowest pricing available. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more clear guides just like this. Congrats on taking the first step towards starting your business, and I'll see you in the next video.